Please write down LCM. LCM. LCM stands for least common multiple. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Generally, first we will see the definition of an LCM. Then I will tell you the various methods how the LCM is computed. Suppose if I take two numbers, n1 equivalent to 6 and n2 equivalent to 9. There are two natural numbers I took. Let that natural numbers be 6 and 9. Let me take the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. And so on. Why I took multiple? Because the definition says, first take the multiples. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. And so on. Then it is said the second step is take the common multiples. Take the common multiples. 18 is common. Here 36 is common. Again 54 is common. Like that the common multiples are 18, 36 and 54. Take the smallest number among the common multiples. Smallest number among the common multiples is 18. So LCM, least common multiple of 6 and 9, it is 18. This is the textbook definition of LCM. This is how the LCM is defined in textbooks. We will see various flavors of finding out the value of LCM of the given numbers. Again, I am explaining there are two natural numbers, n1 equivalent to 6, n2 equivalent to 9. First take the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 and so on. Take the multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are 9 18s are 9 threes are and so on. Take the common multiples. 18 is common, 36 is common, 54 is common. Lowest multiple is LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. 6 and 9 is 18. This is how LCM is computed. Now we will see various methods. Method 1. Write down in the way that I am explaining the class. At the end of the class, you will understand the power of my class and you will understand the way the classroom content has evolved from basics to advanced level. Method 1. Now, method 1 says, first example, LCM of 2, 4 and 8. I need to find the LCM of these given numbers. To find the LCM of the given numbers, preliminary method is take the largest number. Largest number is 8. Check whether all the other number divides the largest number. Does 2 divide 8? Yes. Does 4 divide 8? Yes. Take the largest number. Check whether all the other numbers divides the largest number. 2 will divide 8. 4 will divide 8. So answer is 8. Second example. Take the LCM of 20, 30 and 60. LCM of 20, 30 and 60. Take the largest number. Largest number is 60. Check whether every other number divides this largest number. 20 will divide 60. 23s are 60. 30 will divide 60. 32s are 60. If the largest number is getting divided by every other number, then the largest number is the LCM. Then the largest number is the LCM. Then the largest number is the LCM if it is a multiple of every other number. One more example. Take down as it is in the same order. LCM of 20, 25 and 100. LCM of 20, 25 and 100. Take the largest number. Largest number is 100. 20 is a factor of 100. 25 is a factor of 100. Largest number is a multiple of every other number. So the largest number is the LCM. Method 1 is, there are given numbers, largest number is a multiple of every other number. If the largest number is a multiple of every other number, then the largest number is the LCM. Now, the first question will arise, what if the largest number is not a multiple of every other number? This is a method 1. Method 2. Method 1. Method 1, I hope it is clear. Preliminary, directly by looking at it, the largest number is a multiple of every other number. Method 2. Method 2. Write down in the same order. Method 2. What is method 2? Suppose, first example, every concept minimum 3 to maximum 5 questions I will solve. You will not get a single doubt in any of the concept which I am discussing. LCM of 6, 9. LCM of 6, 9. Previous method, I took the largest number. Largest number is a multiple of other numbers. Here I will take the same largest number, 9. 9 is not a multiple of 6. 9 is not a multiple of 6. Take the next multiple of 9. Next multiple of 9 is 18. If 9 is not getting divided by 6, check with the next multiple of 9. 18. Is 18 getting divisible by 6? Yes. So answer is 18. Answer is 18. If the largest number is not a multiple of other numbers, take the multiple of the largest number. Take the multiple of the largest numbers. Take the multiple of the largest numbers. LCM of 15, 20. LCM of 15, 20. Take the largest number. Largest number is 20. Is 20 a multiple of 15? No, 20 does not get divided by 15. Take the next multiple of 20. 40. Is 40 divisible by 15? No. Take the next multiple of 20. 60. Is 60 divisible by 15? Yes. So answer for this question is 60. First method is, largest number is a multiple of every other numbers. Next method is, largest number is not a multiple of other numbers. Largest number multiples is a multiple of every other number. Third example, LCM of 20, 25 and 50. LCM of 20, 25, 50. Largest number should be a multiple of every other number. 50 is not divided, cannot be divided by 20. So take the next multiple of 50. 100. 100 is 25 zar. 100 is 25 4 zar. So answer for this question is 100. Largest number, if it is not a multiple of every other number, take the multiple of the largest number. LCM of 6, 9, 12. Another example. LCM of 6, 9 and 12. Largest number is 12. 12 should be divisible by 6 and 9. 12 is 2 6 are 6. 12 is not divisible by 9. Take the multiple of 12, 24. Is 24 divisible by 9? No. Take the next multiple, 36. 36 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Method 1, largest number is a multiple of every other number. Method 2, largest number is not a multiple of every other number. But in the given questions, it cannot be also method number 2. It cannot be method number 2. It cannot be also method number 2. What is the examples which we did? LCM of 6, 9. LCM of 15, 20. LCM of 20, 25. If I do all these examples, 6 and 9 is 18. 15 and 20 is 60. 20 and 25 is 100. But if you see, Here 6 and 9, both the numbers are multiples of 3. Here 15 and 20, both the numbers are multiples of 5. Here 20 and 25, both the numbers are multiples of 5. First example, all the numbers are multiples of 3. Second example, all the numbers are multiples of 5. Third also it is 5. Method number 3. What if the given numbers are not multiples of a given number? Method number 3. Please write down. Not a single doubt, you will get it in my class. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3. First write down co-prime numbers. Extremely important logic, sir. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. What is co-prime numbers? If you see the previous case, 6 and 9 are multiples of 3, 15 and 20 are multiples of 5, 21 and 28 both are multiples of 7. If both of them are not multiples of a given number, then the doublet is called a co-prime numbers. Two numbers A and B are said to be co-primes. Two numbers A and B are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. If their HCF is 1. If their HCF is 1. Or in other words, they have only one factor common. They have only one factor common, and that one factor common is nothing but 1 itself. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if the HCF of two numbers is 1. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if they got only one factor common, and that one factor common is nothing but 1. For example, 5 comma 6, 1 into 5, 1 into 6. The only factor that is common is 1. So HCF of 5 comma 6 is 1. 5 and 6 are co-prime to each other. 5 and 6 are co-prime to each other. 12 and 25. 12 and 25. The factors of 12 are 1 is a factor of 12, 2 is a factor of 12, 3 is a factor of 12, 4 is a factor of 12, 6 is a factor of 12, 12 is a factor of 12, 25, 1 is a factor of 12, 1 is a factor of 25, 5 is a factor of 25, 25 is also a factor of 25. These are all the factors of 12 comma 25. What is the factor that is common to 12 and 25? Here also I got 1. 2 is not common, 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 25 is not common. 5 and 6 are co-prime to each other. 12 and 25 are co-prime to each other. One more example I will take because I wanted to convey a point. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are also co-prime to each other because the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factor which is common is 1. So 2 and 3 are said to be co-primes. 2 and 3 are said to be co-primes. 5 and 6 are said to be co-primes. 12 and 25 are said to be co-primes. Now, sir, why did you take 3 examples? I took 3 examples to explain a point. Co-primes and prime numbers are nowhere related to each other. Co-prime numbers and prime numbers are in no way related to each other. Muhammad Kaif and Katrina Kaif are nowhere related to each other unless and until they establish a relationship with each other. Just because Kaif is the same does not mean they have some kind of family relationship. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. Here one number can be prime number, one number can be composite number. Here two numbers are composite numbers. Here two numbers are prime numbers. For two numbers to be co-prime numbers, there is no condition that both the numbers should be prime number. One can be prime, one can be composite. One can be composite, another can be composite. Both can be composite. Co-prime number set and prime numbers are in no way related to each other. Co-prime numbers and prime numbers are no way related to each other. First, write that point in your notebook. Write that point in your notebook. A and B are co-prime numbers. If A and B are co-prime numbers, two numbers are said to be co-prime if they got only one factor common, that is 1. Because they got only one factor common, HCF of A comma B will be 1. HCF of A comma B 1 is the mathematical expression for the statement A and B has only one factor common. A and B has got only one factor common, and the one factor common is nothing but 1. Here, A can be a prime number, B can also be a prime number. A can be a composite number, B can also be a composite number. A can be a prime number and B can also be a composite number. B can also be a composite number. We are discussing method 3, how to find the LCM. How to find the LCM if the numbers are co-prime to each other. If the given numbers are co-prime to each other. If the given numbers are co-prime to each other. If the given numbers are co-prime to each other. How to do it? Because the numbers has got only one factor common, LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. Anil sir, why co-prime numbers LCM has to be a product? Why it cannot be an addition? Why it cannot be any other mathematical expression? Why it has to be a product? It has to be a product. Why? Because it has to be a product. Why? Because if I take 2, if I take 3, if 2 and 3 are co-prime to each other, the multiples of 2 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and so on. And so on. What is the LCM where the number is meeting? The number is meeting at the lowest value where they are meeting is 6. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, which is nothing but their product. LCM of co-prime numbers will always be their product. Why it is a product? If I take 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. If I take 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 5. 5 will meet 3 at 15. 3 will meet 5 at 15. 15 is nothing but the product of 3 and 5. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. Method 1, largest number is a multiple of every other number. Method 2, largest number multiple is a multiple of every other number. None of the numbers are multiples of a given number. Then you will get method number 3. If the numbers are co-prime to each other, LCM is nothing but a product. Examples. First example, LCM of 5, 6. 5, 6. Two consecutive natural numbers are always co-prime to each other. Two consecutive natural numbers will always be co-prime to each other, because there cannot be any other natural number between this port, right? LCM of 5 and 6 is 5 into 6 is 30. Next point, LCM of 9 and 11. 9 and 11 are two consecutive odd numbers. 9 and 11 are two consecutive odd numbers. Two consecutive odd numbers will also be co-prime to each other. Two consecutive odd numbers will also be co-prime to each other. 9 into 11 is 99. 9 into 11 is 99. Second example. Third example. LCM of 12 comma 25. The numbers are not consecutive to each other, or they are not consecutive odd numbers, but still they are co-prime to each other. LCM of co-primes is always their product. 12 into 25 is, if you are unable to do calculation, it is 100 by 4. 4 3s are 12. So answer is 300. Answer is 300. Right? LCM of, suppose if I take 7, 11, 13, 13, all the three are prime numbers. Prime number is a number which has got only two factors, that is 1 and itself. 1 into 7, 1 into 11, 1 into 13. Only one factor common. So it is nothing but 7 into 11 into 13, which is nothing but 1001. Which is nothing but 1001. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. The way I am explaining is the way you should write in your notes. By the time you write it in your notes, right, it will be extremely clear to you. Keep one notes to write what I am explaining in the class. Keep another notes to develop questions on your own. You will not be fearing looking at a new question. Two consecutive natural numbers is always a co-prime set. Two consecutive odd numbers is always a co-prime set. Two consecutive odd numbers is always a co-prime set. I took prime numbers and I took one prime, one composite, I took two composite and I took two composite. Varieties which we will do it. Somebody has asked me a question, what is a composite number? What is a composite number? Till here, if it is clear, kindly reply it in the live chat. If it is clear to you, kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Till now, any doubt is there? Till now, any doubt? There is a student who asked me one odd number, one even number. We cannot say even number could be a multiple of an odd number. Suppose if I take 3, 5, 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. 3, 5 and 12 are not multiples to each other. Suppose if I take 5, 7, 42. 5, 7, 42. 5 and 7 are odd numbers. 42 is a multiple of 7. So, two odd numbers and one even number cannot be co-prime to each other unless and until all the three have got only one factor common, that is 1. This is method 3. Method 3. Method 4. Method 4. Method 4. Method 4. What if the given numbers? What if the given numbers? What if the given numbers are not? What if the given numbers are not co-prime to each other? We have discussed what if it is co-prime to each other. What if they are not co-prime to each other? What if the given numbers are not co-prime to each other? We have discussed where the numbers are co-prime to each other. LCM of, LCM, please make a note. LCM of 27, 45, 63. LCM is 27 is 9 into 3. 9 into 5, 9 into 7, 9 into 7. Take the common number out. 9 into LCM of 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7 are co-prime to each other, right? So it is 9 into 3 into 5 into 7. 21 5s are 105. 105 into 9 is 945. Method number 5. Method number 5. Method 5. Method 5. Condensing method. Condensing the number of terms. Condensing the number of terms approach. Please write down. Condensing the number of times approach. Condensing the number of times approach. First example. LCM of 6, 12, 25 is there. LCM of 6, 12, 25. LCM of 6, 12 and 25. If you see, the factor of 12 is 6. 6 is present in that set which has 12. Remove all the factors from a given. Remove the factors. Remove the factors. 6 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. Remove 6. 12 and 25 are co-prime to each other. 12 and 25 are co-prime to each other. LCM of co-primes is their product. 12 into 25 is 300. If in a set, if you get a few numbers which is a factor of a bigger number, clearly eliminate it. Clearly eliminate it. For example, LCM of 9, 18, 36. 9, 18, 36 and 7 is there. 9, 18, 36 and 7. Take the one number 36. 9 will divide 36, so remove it. 18 will divide 36, so please remove it. Answer is nothing but 36 and 7 are co-prime to each other. So answer for this question is 252. Answer for this question is 252. Condensing the number of terms approach. Condensing the number of terms approach. 1, 2, 4, 8 is equivalent to LCM of 2, 4, 8. It is also equivalent to LCM of 4, 8. I will come back to this third example little later. Extremely important point. Remove all the factors, right? 1 is a factor of 8. 2 is a factor of 8. 4 is a factor of 8. So answer for this question is 8. 2 is a factor of 8. 4 is a factor of 8. Again it is 8. 4 is a factor of 8. So again it is 8. So remove all the factors for one number if it is present in that set. Remove all the factors. 6, 12, 25. 6 will divide 12. So 6 is removed. 3 terms becomes 2 terms if one of the element in the set is a factor of another number. 9, 18, 36, 7. 9 will divide 36. 18 will divide 36. So 36, 7 LCM is 36 into 7. 1, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. I hope it is clear, right? Now we will do a very, very good logical question. Then we will get into another method. Please write down this question. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If this value is X. LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. The value is Y. What is the relationship between? What is the relationship between X and Y? What is the relationship between X and Y? 3 options are given. X greater than Y. Second option, X is less than Y. Third option, x is equivalent to y. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is x. LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10 is y. What is the relationship between x and y? Most of the students may think that if a number of elements are more, LCM will increase, which is not true. If I take this number, if I take the largest number is 10. Which all numbers will divide 10? 1 will divide 10, 2 will divide 10, 5 will divide 10. You don't need to write 1 to 5. So I will write only 10. Then let me take 9. What are the elements in the set 9 which will divide 9? 1 will divide 9, 3 will divide 9. So I don't need to write 1 and 3. The next element is 8. What are the elements which will divide 8? 1 will divide 8, already eliminated. 2 will divide 8, already eliminated. 4 will divide 8, already 4 is also eliminated. Remaining is 8. Remaining, if 2 and 3 are eliminated, 6 also will be eliminated because 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So what is remaining? 7, 8, 9, 10. What is 7, 8, 9, 10? Is nothing but y. So answer for this question is x is equivalent to y. It's a very, very good question which tells your understanding of how to eliminate the factors for a number. Again, I am explaining. My sincere suggestion to each one of you, unless and until it is mentioned, you don't need to answer it. If you are answering this question, please try to solve LCM of ABC equivalent to 360. How many values ABC will take satisfying this question? Try to solve this question in less than 1 minute and probably you can write the answer. Please do not write any answers. I am not expecting anybody to give answers in my class. I will teach with 15 years experience as an author of 9 mathematical books. Sit in my class and learn. When I give an assignment, solve it. Simple and straight. I will not ask you, Bolo beta, what is the answer? A, B, C, D. Right, you are right, you are wrong. Like that. Unless and until I know for sure that most of the students will do this mistake, I will not ask you to solve a question in my class. My 90 minutes class is 90 minutes class taught by me. Just sit and learn, that's all. Right? I hope it is clear. Second time I am explaining. Listen carefully. Now see, because you have answered it, lot of students have missed out the continuity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second time I am explaining. First I will start with 10. What are the factors of 10? 1 is a factor of 10, 2 is a factor of 10, 5 is a factor. 1 is eliminated, 2 is eliminated, 5 is eliminated. When 2 is eliminated, automatically the multiples of 2 also will go away other than the highest power. 9. The factors of 9 are 1 and 3, eliminated. Next it is 8. 8 is 1 is eliminated, 2 is eliminated and 4 is eliminated. I am eliminating 1, I am eliminating 2, I am eliminating 3. If 2 and 3 are eliminated, why 6 will be there in the set? 6 is derived from 2 and 3. When 2 is out and 3 is out, 6 will also be out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 can be eliminated. Now, why I gave these LCM of 7, 8, 9 and 10? What is the question? Right? Vaishnavi Reddy says, if 6 is removed, then 8 can also be removed. No, sir. 8 cannot be removed. Why? Because of method number 5. Please write down method number 5. There are 2 students who have asked a good question. I will take up that question in method number 5. LCM of these numbers is both are equal. Why 8 cannot be removed? If with the same analogy 9 also you will remove, because 3 and 6 are removed. There is a reason why I am removing the factors of 8, 9 and 10. Please write down. Please write down why 8 cannot be removed. Write down method number 5. Good question you have asked. I will discuss it as a method. Method number 5. Method number 5. Please write down. After this you will understand. Highest power method. Method 5. Method 5 is highest power method. Highest power method. Now, LCM of any given numbers, LCM of any given numbers can be written as power of prime bases. First write down power of prime bases. LCM of any given numbers can be written as power of prime bases. Please write down this. LCM of any given numbers can be written as power of prime bases. Now what it is? What it is? First one, LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First I will do the traditional method, then I will tell you the highest power method. What is the traditional method? 4 is getting divided by 2 and 1. So the remaining is 3 into 4 into 5. Why? Because LCM of co-prime numbers is their product, which is 60. 1 is a factor of 4 and 2 is a factor of 4. 1 is eliminated, 2 is eliminated. LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. Highest power method. Highest power method based on prime basis. Listen carefully. Highest power method based on prime basis. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers are written up to 5. What are all the prime numbers till 5? Prime numbers till 5 is 2, another is 3, another is 5. The largest number is 5. What are all the prime numbers from 1 to 5? 2, 3 and 5. What is the highest power of 2 that goes up to 5? What is 2 square? 4. What is 2 cube? 8. 2 cube is exceeding the highest value. Take the value 2 square. Next comes 3. What is the highest power of 3 till 5? 3 square is 9. 3 power 1 is 3. So it is 3 power 1. What is the highest power of 5 till 5? Which is 5 power 1. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 5, 16. Any LCM of given numbers can be written as highest power of the prime bases. Any LCM of given numbers can be written as highest power of the prime bases. Method 5 is writing down the LCM of a number as the highest power of prime bases. 3 more examples so that you will understand this concept clearly. Second example, please write down. Whatever the way I am explaining, please write it in that way. Do not get into any kind of non-academic discussion in the live chat. Unnecessarily, without giving you notice, I will block you. I want a very serious environment in the class. Second one. Second example. We will do few examples, then you will understand it clearly. Second example. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. LCM of 1, 2. This is the example which we took. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to write it as the highest power of prime bases. Largest number is 10. What are all the prime numbers from 1 to 10? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and 7 is a prime number. These are all the prime numbers from 1 to 10. Only till 10 because the largest value is 10. Now see here. What is the highest power of 2 that goes up to 10? 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. So that is the reason I wrote it as 2 cube. What is the highest power of 3 till 10? 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. So 3 square. What is the highest power of 5 till 10? 5 square is 25. So it is 5 power 1. Next it is 7 power 1. 7 power 1. 8 and 9. So 72. 72 into 5 into 7. Which is nothing but 2520. Which is nothing but 2520. LCM of 1 to 10. Again I am repeating. From 1 to 10, which are all the prime numbers are there? 2, 3, 5 and 7. First write all the prime numbers. Then tell what is the power of 2 that can go up to 10. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. So it is 2 cube. What is the power of 3 that can go up to 10? Which is 3 square. What is the power of 5 that can go up to 10? 5 power 1 is 5. 7 power 1 is 7. That is exactly why I wrote the answer 7, 8, 9 and 10. 7, 8, 9 and 10. The students who said whether it is Vikas, whether it is Vaishnavi, whether it is Nagavarshit and other students, now you will understand it. 7 is nothing but 7 power 1. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. 9 is nothing but 3 square. 10 is nothing but 2 into 5. 2 into 5. LCM takes the highest power. 7 power 1, nothing else is there. 7 power 1. 5 power 1, nothing else is there. So 5 power 1. 3 square, nothing else is there. So 3 square. 2 cube, 2 power 1. What is highest? 2 cube. So 2 cube is taken. This is the same answer, right? I hope it is clear why 8 cannot be removed. If you remove 8, 2 cube itself will go away. But what is the highest power of 2 till 10? 2 cube. 2 cube should come in answer. So 8 cannot be eliminated. 8 cannot be eliminated. I hope it is clear. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Few more examples. Takes one more example. LCM of 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 20 is X. LCM of 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 25, which is Y. Y equivalent to Kx. Find the value of K. Find the value of K. Listen carefully. After we solve the problems, you will come to know which method to be used when. First, listen carefully, step by step, everything. Knowledge, understand, then apply. That is what. Generally in India, we are more good in memory-based things. But I want to teach in KUA pedagogy. K is knowledge, U is understanding, A is apply. First know, then understand, then apply. Question is LCM of 1 to 3 till 20 is X. 1 to 3 till 25 is Y. Y is Kx. Find the value of K. The problems which I am explaining right now, you will not get the structure in any of the books. That's the reason, listen carefully. Method 1. Method 1. Listen carefully. How am I solving this question? LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 20. Till 20 the numbers are there. What are all the prime numbers till 20? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number. Are you with me? What is the power of 2 that goes up to 20? 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 5 is 32. What is the power of 3 that can go up to 20? 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. 3 square. What is the power of 5 that goes up to 20? 5 square is 25. 5 power 1 is 5. What is the power of 7 till 20? 7 square is 49. Remaining all will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means this is the value of X. What is the value of X? 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 into 7 into 11 into 13 into 17 into 19. If I take, what is the question that is given? LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 25. Now I want to write till 25. If I write till 25, what are all the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. What is the power of 2 till 25? 2 power 4. Power of 3, 3 square. Power of 5, 5 square. 7 square is 49. All that will be, remaining all will be extra 1. I hope it is clear. 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square into 7 power 1, 11 power 1, 13 power 1, 17 power 1, 19 power 1, 23 power 1. Something extra is there. 2 power 4, 2 power 4, 3 square, 3 square, 5 power 1, 5 square, extra 5 is there. 7 power 1, 7 power 1, 11 power 1, 11 power 1, 13 power 1, 13 power 1, 17 power 1, 17 power 1, 19 power 1, 19 power 1. Something extra is there. That extra value is 5 into 23. A beautiful question. From 1 to 20, what are all the prime numbers from 1 to 20? 2 power 4, 3 square, 5 power 1, 2 power 4 is 16, 3 square is 9, 5 power 1 is 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Similarly till 25. What are all the extra numbers are there? 5 power 1, 5 square. Extra 5 is there. Extra 5 is there. Extra 23 is there. 5 into 23 is K value. Answer is 115. Answer is 115. It's a very, very good question. But this method 1 will take 1 to 1.5 minutes to solve. Let me solve this question in 10-15 seconds. Let me solve this question in 10-15 seconds. Method 2. Method 2. Please write down this method 2. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 20. It is X. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 25. It is Kx. Find the value of K. Find the value of K. Anil Nair's way of solving this question. Directly you will get the answer. Directly you will get the answer in 10-15 seconds. If you know this approach. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 20 is x. 1, 2, 3 till 25 is kx. Question is given till 20. Take all the numbers. Take all the numbers which are of the form. Take all the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. Please write down this point. Take all the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. Question is given till 20. What are all the numbers beyond 20? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. These are all the numbers beyond what is given in the question. Now read this statement. Take all the numbers which are of the form p power k. 21 is 3 into 7. There should be single power of a prime number. 22 is 2 into 11. 23 is 23 power 1. Yes, I will take. 24 is 3 into 8. I will not take. 25 is 5 square. Only one power of 5 is there in the question. So another 5 will come. 23 into 5 is 115. 23 into 5 is 115. 23 into 5 is 115. Again I am explaining. Till 20 it is given. But we need to find out till 25. Till 20 it is given in the question. I want till 25. Write all the numbers after 20 in sequential order. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. First write all the numbers. Delete the numbers which are of the form p power a. 21 is 3 into 7. Single power of prime number it should be. 22 is 2 into 11. 23 is 23 power 1. Please write it. 24 is 8 into 3. Eliminate it. 25 is 5 square. 5 square is of the form p power k. But till 20 there is one power of 5 that will come. So extra one more 5 will come. Answer is 23 into 5. 23 into 5 is 115. Only take the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. Take only the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. Two more examples I will solve. It might not be clear in the first instance. Two more examples I will solve so that it will be clear to you. Now, Bhuvanesh asks, what if the numbers are not consecutive? That also I will explain. Right? Kausalya, Abhishek and Dharani says, explain it again. That is the reason I said I will do two more examples. Sai Kirti, I will take another 5 because 25 is 5 square. But till here, one power of 5 is already there in this number. I want till 25. 5 power 1 is there till 20. But I want till 25. So therefore, another extra of 5 is there. 23 into 5 is 115. Next one. Another example. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 10 is x. I want from LCM from 1, 2, 3 till 15. 15 is kx. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. One more example. Right? LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 10 is x. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 15 is kx. Find the value of k. Till 10 it is written in the question. I want till 15. Write all the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are all the numbers. These are all the extra numbers. In that extra numbers, take the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. Take the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. 11 is 11 power 1. It can be taken. 12 cannot be taken. 13, it is 13 power 1. 14 cannot be taken. 15 cannot be taken. 11 into 13 is 143. 11 into 13 is 143. 11 into 13 is 143. Right? Sridhar Reddy. Where did I mention that LCM is the K value? I don't know what you understood it. I think you have misunderstood what needs to be understood. Right? 11 into 12 into 13 into 14 into 15. Take the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. Right? Take the numbers which are of the form p power k. Right? Why we will add the number? We are so much habituated in mugging up everything. We don't use our mind. We don't use our mind. We don't give that stuff to the mind to make it much more effective. बोर्ड पे जो लिखा है कॉपी करो, रट्टा मारो, मार्क्स लेके आओ and feel happy that you got a degree. Things don't work like that. LCM of 1 till 1, 2, 3 till 80, it is X. One more example. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 85, it is Kx. Find the value of K. Try to solve this question orally. Please do not use any pen. Right? Just use your mind. Till 80 it is present. Extra numbers are 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Take only the numbers. Take only the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. Where p is a prime number. Where p is a prime number. 82 is 2 into 41. 81 it is 3 power 4. 81 it is 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is 81. The power of 3 till 80 is 3 cube is 27. So extra 3 will come. Extra 3 will come. Extra 83 will come. 84 is 4 into 21. 85 is 5 into 17. Answer is 3 into 83. 3 into 83. Many students have missed out 81. Many students have missed out 81. 3 power 4 is 81. Extra 3 will come. Extra 83 will come. Answer is 3 into 83. Answer is 3 into 83. 3 into 83 is 249. 3 into 83 is 249. I hope this idea is clear. Right? I hope this idea is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if this highest powers method is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Right? Arun thinks that I am his home teacher. I told you that I will explain why I don't know you are so impatient in your life. Are you checking that whether I know the logic or not? Or do you want me to take only your doubt and forget all the other students? Right? Do you think Anil Nair's YouTube channel is like any other channel where I will get succumbed to students' reviews and everything, right? Now, I told you that I will clear it after explaining a concept. I hope it is clear. Everybody says clear. I wanted to do one more example. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 200 divided by LCM of 105, 106, 107, 108, 108 and so on up to 200. Think logically and tell me the answer. From where you will get 82? Yeah, 82 is 2 into 41. Take the numbers which are of the form p power a, where p is a prime number. You all are thinking LCM is just R.S. Agarwal problems. What to do? Right? We stopped listening to good classes for so many years. Prime numbers. 81 is 3 power 4. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. LCM of 1 to 200 divided by 105, 106, 107 till 200. I am giving you time to think. From 1 to 200, 105 to 200, the numbers which are missing are 101 and 103. 101 and 103 will come in the above set, but it will not come in the down set. Think why the answer is 101 into 103. 101 into 103, it cannot be 1. It cannot be 1. That is, answer for this question is 101 into 103. Right? Here Shiva, what can I tell you? 81 is 3 power. 81 is 3 power 4. LCM of 1 till 80, it will give you 3 cube into something. LCM of 1 till 85 is 3 power 4 into something. Extra 3 will come, right? Extra 3 will come. Answer for this question is 101 into 103. Please put a star mark. Please put a star mark. Answer is think without ink. That is a food for thought for you. Right? So answer is 101 into 103. Asif Basha, why 102 will come, beta? Why 102 will come, you tell me? What is 102? 102 is 2 into 51. 2 will be present here, 51 is present here. Why 104 will come? 2 into 52. 2 is present here, 52 will be present here. Next one. Next one. Next question. Please write down, sir. Last method number 6. Rambabu. Method number 6. Method number 6. Please write down. If the numbers are, if the numbers are in prime basis, if the numbers are in prime basis, if the numbers are in prime basis, how to solve? If the numbers are in prime basis, for example, N1 is 2 square into 3, which is 12. If N2 is 2 into 3 square, 2 into 3 square is 18. If the numbers are written in prime powers, LCM of N1 and N2. N1 and N2 is 36. What is 36 here? 36 is 36 is 2 square into 3 square. Am I right? 36 is 2 square into 3 square. 2 power 1, 2 square. What is highest? 2 square. 3 power 1, 3 power 2. What is highest? 3 square. LCM always takes highest power of given prime basis. Please write down. LCM always takes highest power of given prime basis. LCM always takes highest power of given prime basis. Please write down this. LCM always takes highest power of given prime basis. LCM always takes highest power of the given prime basis. When this method is used, if this method is used, if the numbers are in prime basis, LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Examples. Please take examples. Example 1. N1 equivalent to 2 power 7 into 3 power 4 into 5 square. N2 equivalent to 2 cube into 3 power 6 into 5 power 4. Find the LCM of N1 and N2. LCM always takes the highest power of given prime basis. LCM always takes highest power of given prime basis. 2 cube 2 power 7. What is highest? 2 power 7. 3 power 4 3 power 6. What is highest? 3 power 6. 5 square 5 power 4. What is highest? 5 power 4. LCM always takes the highest power of given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of given prime basis. I hope the logic is clear. Now, before we solve the problem, let me recap all the important methods, all the methods which we discussed. Recap all the methods which we discussed. Method 1, LCM of 9, 18, which is 18. Largest number is a multiple of other numbers. Method 2, LCM of 6, 9 is 18. Largest number is not a multiple, but the next multiple of 9. 18 is a multiple of 6. Method 2. Method 3, coprime method. What is coprimes? LCM of coprimes is always their product. LCM of coprimes is always their product. Method 4. Write make the numbers coprime method. Make the numbers co-prime method. Make the numbers co-prime. LCM of 15 and 20, which is 5 into 3 comma 5 into 4. 5 is taken out. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Method 4. Method 5. LCM of consecutive natural numbers. LCM of consecutive natural numbers. Take the highest power of prime bases. Take the highest power of prime bases. Take the highest power of prime bases. Method 6, same method when the numbers are in prime numbers. Method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4, method 5 and method 6. With this understanding of these 6 methods, now we will solve various problems. Now we will solve various problems. Right? Now these are the various methods. Only to define LCM, I took 1 hour 20 minutes to explain every type. Now, one student has asked me a doubt, Arun Kumar, an impatient individual. What if the numbers are not continuous? If it is 2, 4, 6 or 10, they are not continuous natural numbers. If they are not continuous natural numbers, that was his doubt. So, 2 will divide 8, 4 will divide 8. 4 will divide 8. So the numbers have been condensed. This became LCM of 6, 8 and 10. The numbers are not co-prime to each other. So this is 2 into 3, 2 into 4 and 2 into 5. Take the factor which is common, 2. LCM of 3, 4, 5. LCM of co-primes is their product. 2 into 60, which is 120. If the numbers are not continuous, this is nothing but the condensing approach, which is a derivative approach. Condensing approach, which is a derived approach. Derived approach from method 1 and method 3. This is a derivative of method 1 and method 3. 2, 4, 6 or 10. 2 is a factor of 8. 4 is a factor of 8. Numbers are not continuous. Arun beta, for you, one more example. 15, 19, 23. Numbers are not continuous. These are co-prime numbers. Co-prime LCM is their product. 15 into 19. 15 into 19 into 23. I hope it is clear. Now we will solve some very, very good problems. A disclaimer to each and everybody. If you are attending my class thinking that I will solve 20 problems taken from a textbook and I will solve it, I am not the right teacher for you. And if you want formula based problems, please go and pay some money to a local teacher. You will not even clear your CAT examination in first attempt. Getting a seat in IIM Ahmedabad, you think it is an easy job? Getting a GATE single digit rank, you think it is an easy job? Getting 330 above out of 340 in GRE, doing your masters in Stanford and an Oxford University, you think it is easy? You think getting an SBI PO job, writing SBI PO, it is easy in the first attempt? Definitely no. Even a Sachin Tendulkar require a good coach, Ramakant Achrekar. Even an Olympic medalist PT Usha requires OM Nambiar. Even the world's best tennis player Roger Federer, even after winning Wimbledons, he will surrender himself to coach because he don't want to lose. Michael Phillips, coach told that you might be good for nothing in academics, but you are like a fish. Your entire career, you will build your name only through one thing, that is on water. You are a fish in the name of a human being, and the world knows how much he has achieved in the field of swimming. Right? Next question. I hope it is clear. It is clear. Namrata, for you, right? If the question is like this, write all the prime numbers after 450 and before 550. Take all the composite numbers which are of the form p power k. Your answer is over. Next one. Now, listen carefully. Now, before that one, please write down a point. Important observation. Please write down, sir. Important observation. Important observation. First one, LCM of 6, 9. 6, 9 is 18. LCM of 36, 12. 36 is a multiple of 12. So it is 36. LCM of 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Now if you see, these are nothing but 2 into 2, 2 into 3, and so this will give you 12. 12 and 9 is 36. How to do? Next multiple of 9, 18. 18 is not divisible by 4. Next multiple, 36. 36 is divisible by 4 and 6. Listen carefully to this important observation. If one number, if the input one number, digital sum is 9. If the input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is also 9. Extremely important point. Answer digital sum is also 9. If the input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is also 9. If the input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is also 9. Input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is 1 plus 8, 9. If input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is 9. If input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is also 9. Is also 9. I hope it is clear, right? Is this point clear? We will solve some tough questions based upon these important observation. If input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is also 9. If input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is also 9. Is it clear? With this, till now we found out LCM. Now we will eliminate incorrect answer options using this method. If input one number, digital sum is 9, answer digital sum is also 9. Now see here. Listen carefully to this. One by one, we will solve each and every question. Digital sum is sum of the digits till you get a single digit number. First question, LCM of 36 and 48. 36, digital sum is, one number digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should also be 9. 48 is 4 plus 2, 3. 96 is 9 plus 6, 15, 6. 36 cannot be the answer because LCM is either the largest number or its multiples. So the first one answer is 144. First one answer is 144. LCM of 36, 48. Now listen carefully. 36, a different way of looking at LCM. 36 digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should also be 9. First option digital sum is not 9. Second option digital sum is not 9. Third option, fourth option, digital sum is 9. But third option is not the right answer. Why? Because LCM is derived from the largest number or its multiples. Largest number or its multiples. So answer is 144. First one over. Second one. Find the LCM of are 48, 60 and 80. Find the LCM of 48, 60 and 80. Now see here. How am I eliminating answer options? 48 digital sum is 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. If one number digital sum is 3, answer digital sum will also be a multiple of 3. This is, instead of digital sum, I will write like this. Otherwise confusion will be there. LCM of 48, 60 and 80. 48 is divisible by 3. 48 is divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. 960 is not divisible by 3. 80 is not divisible by 3. LCM comes out from the highest number. It cannot be the lowest number. Answer is 240. Answer for this question is 240. Remember, you can also do LCM by using answer options in two methods. One is divisibility rule and another is digital sum. One is divisibility rule and another is digital sum. Another is digital sum. Again I am explaining. I am not interested in doing the answers. I am interested in developing an approach which will increase your logical thinking ability. That's my only intention of taking live classes. 48, 60 and 80. 48 is divisible by 3. If one number is divisible by 3, sir, why you took divisible by 3? No, you can also take divisible by 4. But all the options are divisible by 4, so I have not taken. 48 is divisible by 3. Answer should also be divisible by 3. 960 is out. 80 is out. 48 is also out. Why 48 is out? LCM is derived from the largest number. LCM is derived from the largest number. 1 minute. Let me take doubt. Right? Now, Pavitra says, sir, 48 is also there in option A. Why are you considering 36? Pavitra, I neatly wrote it in my slide. If one number digital sum is 9, if one number digital sum is 9, if one number digital sum is 9, I don't need to check any other number. Answer digital sum should be 9. I hope it is clear. Any other doubt? Right? Is it clear? Now, Surya Pratap Tangappa says, what is the definition of LCM, sir? You are forgetting the basic rule. What is LCM? Least common multiple. Again, you are going back to the basics. LCM is least common multiple. What do you mean by least? Least is the smallest number. 960, 240. Which is smallest? 240. Use your mind sometimes. You are in hurry asking questions. Yesterday also I told you, before commenting, think twice what you are commenting. Use your mind. Because in our college also we are so much habituated. A teacher does not ask you to develop a C interpreter. A teacher does not ask you why cycle does not work in a rectangular wheels. A teacher will ask you what is 2 plus 3 equivalent to how much. You will say 5 and you got 1 mark. Instead of that, if the teacher says x plus y equivalent to 5, x and y natural numbers some values, x and y whole numbers some values, x and y rational numbers some values. Anil Nair works on cause. I don't work on effect. Right? Is it clear? I hope it is clear. I don't know if you are extremely poor in mathematics. Extremely poor in mathematics, I cannot do it. R.N. Reddy, what is my statement? I think you did not get a good maths teacher in your life. 48, 60 and 80. L.C.M is derived from the largest number. Largest number itself is 80. How 60 will come? Right? Please write down. Next one. If you are extremely poor, when I went to one engineering college, I wanted to recruit a software engineer. He said, sir, I want a 5 lakh job. I said, write a simple C program, hello, and show me the zeros and ones of that C program. He said, sir, I said, show me the zeros and ones of a C program, because compiler converted that high level into low level. Sir, this I don't know. So I said, I will pay you 5,000 rupees. When you do not even know the basics, how come you are expecting 5 lakh rupees? Same is the case. Listen carefully to my lines. Next one. One number is LCM of 4 and 6, which is 12. If this is divisible by 3, answer is divisible by 3. Why should I worry about this number? I do not even need to worry about this number. Am I right? If one number is divisible by 3, answer should be divisible by 3. Right? Next one. Second time I am explaining. I think slowly the students who are not good in maths, I will slowly remove it from the classes. You are asking all basic questions. 48, 60 and 80. 960 will satisfy. 240 will satisfy. LCM is least common multiple. Least common multiple. Smallest number we should take. If both are satisfying, smallest is 240. Next one. Third one. LCM of 72, 140. Listen carefully. 72, 140. 72. Digital sum is 9. 72. Digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Check by answer options. Answer digital sum should be 9. This is not 9. This is not 9. I am struck with two options, B and C. Then go by the divisibility rule. Then go by the divisibility rule. 7, 140. 140 is 7 into 20. That means it is divisible by 7. It is divisible by 7. If one number is divisible by 7, answer should also be divisible by 7. 7 3s are 21. 420. 7 6 are 42. It is divisible by 7. Answer is 2520 for the third question. For the second question, it is 240. For the first question, it is 144. Right? 2520 is the answer. Again, remember, you can also use answer options to find the LCM. Concept is use digital sum and use the divisibility rule. Use the digital sum and use the divisibility rule. Fourth question. LCM of 42, 63, 231. 42, 63, 231. One number digital sum is 9. If one number digital sum is 9, answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. 8 plus this is 8. 5 plus 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 it is 8. Only one option is giving you digital sum 9. Third option is right. Suppose if there is one more option, 1836. 1836. Digital sum is also 9. Then what we should do it? 42 is 7 into 6. Answer is divisible by 7. Or you can take 231. 231 is 11 into 21. Answer should be divisible by 7 and divisible by 11. Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 minus 4, 10. It is not divisible by 11. So answer is 1386. 1386. I hope the idea is clear. How to find the LCM? LCM can be solved by using answer options. What are all the concepts that I can use? One is digital sum. Another is divisibility rule. One is digital sum. Another is divisibility rule. Another is divisibility rule. Right? What is your doubt, Reddy? Please mention the doubt. Please mention your doubt. I wanted to read your doubt. Right? Digital sum is 9. This is out, this is out, this is out. Both the conditions should be satisfied. Digital sum should be 9. Digital sum should be 9 and divisibility rule should be satisfied. Digital sum and divisibility rule. Digital sum. This is if one number digital sum is 9. If one number digital sum is 9. Right? Next one. Now 1 minute. Let me read Varun's doubt. In the third question, both B and C is divisible by 9. As of LCM definition, we should go with option C. What is LCM definition? LCM definition is, 1 minute. People have a very misunderstanding of the definition. LCM of 72 and 140. What are the conditions that it should satisfy? Conditions. First condition, answer digital sum should be 9. Second condition, answer should satisfy the divisibility rule. Answer should satisfy the divisibility rule. 72 is 9 into 8. 140 is 7 into 20. And one option digital sum is 9. So these both are eliminated. Take the second concept. Second concept is divisibility rule should be satisfied. So answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. 2160 is not divisible by 7. Not only this, but also this needs to be tested. But also this too should be tested. I hope it is clear. Next one. Option E. Varun, your statement is incorrect. As of LCM definition, we should check the divisibility rule also. I hope you got a clarity. Option E. LCM of 32, 36 and 40. 36. Digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. This is eliminated. This is eliminated. So there are 32, 36 and 40. 14401152. Now what we can do is, we can either go by the divisibility rule or you can go by the any other rule that comes. Just for a clarity, we will use for another method. 4 8s are, 4 9s are, 4 10s are. 4 is taken out. All the cases it is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4. 4 is taken out. LCM of 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9 and 10. If 4 is taken out, 1440 by 4 is 360. 1152 by 4 is 4 2s are 8, 35, 288. Again digital sum is 9. Both are matching. Then what you have to do? 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9 LCM is 8 and 10 it is 40. 49s are 360. 4 into 360 is 1440. Answer is 1440. So first one is easy. Second one is checking by using the divisibility rule. Third one is digital sum and divisibility rule. Fourth one is only digital sum 9. Fifth is all of them are satisfying. How to do it? I hope the idea is clear. Next one. LCM of 108, 135, 162. All the answer options digital sum is 9. That is the beauty about our class. All the options digital sum is 9. So this is eliminated. This is eliminated. Now what you can do is, you can go by the traditional method. 9 2s are 108. 9 15s are 9 18s are. Do the generic LCM. All the models with doubts are kept it in the problems. 108, 135 and 162. Is it clear? ABCD. A is very easy. How the class is structured? A is very easy. B is definition of LCM. 3 is digital sum concept. 4 is digital sum and divisibility rule. 5 is digital sum and divisibility rule. Option E. LCM of 32, 36 and 40. 40. This is 4 8s are, 4 9s are, 4 10s are. LCM 4 is taken out. 4. LCM of 8, 9 and 10. 8 and 9 LCM is 72. 72 and 10. 2 into 36, 2 into 5. 2 will also go away. 36. 5s are 180. 8 into 180 is 1440. Where did I eliminate 1620? I was explaining the approach, right? I hope E is clear. 4 into 8, 4 into 9, 4 into 10. 4 is taken out. 8, 9 and 10. 8 and 9 they are consecutive, which is 72. 72 and 10. 2 into 36, 2 into 5. 2 is taken out. 4 2s are 8. 36 and 5 are co-primes. LCM of co-primes is their product, 180. 8 into 180 is 1440. I hope the idea